back to another video. How you all doing today? My name is Cynthia. If you're coming across my video for the first time, you're welcome. For my old subscribers, I really appreciate you all. Thank you so much for always coming back. So in today's video, guys, I'm going to be showing us how to make this short dress. It can be worn as a top, it can be worn as a dress. So that's what we're going to be making today. Here I have my fabric. I have 2 yards of fabric, 16 inches by length. We'll go ahead and fold the fabric. So I'm going to fold the fabric this way. I'll fold it into this way. I'll fold it again. So my fabric is now folded into 4. The length of my top or dress is 42 inches. I'll be adding 1 inch for sewing allowance. That's 42 inches. We'll go ahead and place the measurement. The shoulder measurement I'm working with is 16 inches divided by 2 is 8 inches. So I'm going to be extending it. I'll be cutting out the shoulder and the sleeve together. It's either you measure it from your back midpoint to where you want it to be, or you add your sleeve measurement to the shoulder. So I'll be making use of 24 inches, both the shoulder and the sleeve. The shoulder is 8 inches. I will add 16 inches to it. That's 24 inches. So I have 24 inches here. I'll add 1 inch for sewing allowance. So together is 25 inches. So from here, I will go down by 1.5 inches. That's my shoulder slope. The top or the dress is a turtleneck. I'll be using 3 inches for the wideness of the neck. And 3 inches for the neck depth. I will connect it. So I'm using 3 by 3. That's the front. For the back neckline, I will mark 1.5 inches for the back depth. I will connect the shoulder slope to the neckline. So I will go to the side here, that's the upper part here. So I will mark 6 inches for the arm opening. So I'll just make it 7 inches. I'll mark 7 inches for the opening. So this is the sleeve here. This is 24 inches plus 1 inch sewing allowance. So right from this 25 inches, I will take a straight line here all the way to the bottom of the dress. I will go ahead and cut it out. It's very easy. I will cut the back neckline. Cut the shoulder slope. I will make a notch here. This is where my arms will pass through. I will cut it all the way to the I will bring the front part out and cut out the front neckline. This is the front. I'll go ahead and cut out the front neckline. I will also bring the back neckline. I'll be making a back slit. I will make 5 to 6 inches back slit here so that the dress can easily pass through the head. So I mark 6 inches here. That's it for the cutting. Go ahead and join them together. I will first stitch the back slit. I will take 1/4 inch twice and stitch it round. After I've done that, so I'll match the shoulders together. I will use 1/2 inch to join the shoulders. This is my sleeve opening. I will stitch the shoulder up to here. This is where I made my notch. This is my sleeve opening. So I'll leave this place unsewed. This is where my arms will pass through. And I will stitch the side here with 1 inch. So guys, I'm done joining the shoulders and the side together. I've also stitched the back slit. So I will fold the front and the back into 2 like so. This is the center part. I'll be making a little cut here at the middle part. I will just want to sew it first before cutting out this part. I will go up by 6 inches. So this is 6 inches. I will curve this 6 inches to the edge here. So this is the curve. I will cut it out. This side still remains the same. I'm just making the curve here in the middle part. So I will measure the neckline and use it to cut out the turtleneck. Now I'll measure the neckline and see what I have here. The neckline is 18 inches. I will cut out a very long strap. So my strap is 60 inches. The wideness is 7 inches. By the time I fold it into 2, I will have 3.5 inches. So I will go ahead and then fold it this way. So I'll fold it into 2, right side facing right side. I will look for the midpoint. I'll make a notch here. This is the midpoint. "18 inches is my neckline. 18 divided by 2 is 9 inches. This is the notch. From this notch, that's the mid part. I will mark 9 inches. And I will also mark 9 inches on this side. 9 inches on this side and 9 inches on this side, which is 18 inches. So I will leave this place open because this is where I'll be attaching to the neckline. I will stitch the remaining parts and stitch the side. So guys, I finished attaching the band. So I reduced this area where I'll be attaching to the neckline with 1/2 inch. I wanted a very bold band, but this side will be too wide. So I reduced this side with 1/2 inch. This side still remains the same. I've stitched up the remaining part. I left this 18 inches open. I'll be attaching this to the neckline. This is the midpoint. I will fold the neckline like so and look for the midpoint. This is the front part. This is the midpoint. I will match the band midpoint and the top midpoint together. I will stitch this first one round. After I've done that, I will use this one to cover up the first stitch like so and stitch it around again. I will also hem the arm opening. So guys, I'm done attaching the neck bands to the neckline. For the band side, I made a curve here. At the tip here, I made a curve here. I did the same thing for this side. I will notch it to the back side. I've also hemmed the bottom part. I use 1 inch to hem the bottom part. This is the arm opening. I've hemmed the arm opening as well. This is the top. Easy and beautiful. I make this top less than 1 hour. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you're here for the first time, please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next one. Love you all. Bye.